Hello, good morning. It's Martin from PetPeePee. Yesterday I received those draperies from New York. The lady was very hesitant to send me the drapery, but I convinced her that I'm the right address. I have more than 100 reviews on draperies, urine odor removal, and this is my specialties. I clean them in a special natural cleaning product from the Dead Sea, and I provide amazing result. Stay tuned and see how I clean before and after. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee, the only one guarantee urine odor removal, and in most cases even the stain. Stay tuned. Hello, and good morning. The lady from New York that sent me those 2 panels of drapery. Yesterday, when I received them, and UPS delivered them about 1 o'clock, and I work on them till 5 o'clock, and it was stained. It was yellow, it was smelly, and there's no chance that yesterday I can do something like this. This is, I have a magic wand to make this drapery look like this, brand new again. And I'm very happy. I'm sure the lady from New York, that she was so much hesitating, sent me this expensive drapery. And I explain to you what does it mean, expensive drapery. Take a look. This is a heavy cotton, excellent quality. 1 layer, 2 layers, 3 layers. This is how this drapery made, like 3 layers. So it's falling down nicely. Here is the 2 panels, like a brand new. Thank you very much for using PetPeePee. I'm sure you will be very happy. Don't forget, write something in the bottom when you're watching this video. Honestly, whatever you feel. Thank you, Mayor Martin, the owner of PetPeePee, Oriental drapery cleaning, naturally, organically, no chemicals, with the result that can impress everybody.
My dog peed on the